Yes, welcome. Today we are going to be learning how the electrons are distributed around the nucleus in the shells. You understand? Using the K, LM orbits or shells, and also the SPDF orbitals, and also the what? SPDF orbital. And this arrangement depends on the atomic number. This arrangement depends on the what? Atomic number. How do you know the atomic number of elements? You need to know them by their arrangement in the periodic table. You need to know them by their arrangement in the what? Periodic table. Because in the periodic table, the element, their atomic number increases by what? 1. The atomic number increases by what? 1. The atomic number of hydrogen is what? That of helium is what? That of lithium is what? 3. That of beryllium 4, boron 5, carbon 6, nitrogen 7, oxygen 8, fluorine 9, neon 10, sodium 11, magnesium 12, aluminium 13, silicon 14, phosphorus 14, sulfur 15, chlorine 16, argon 18, potassium 19, calcium 20. Did I miss anyone? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Is that clear? So how do you memorize these atomic numbers or the arrangements in the periodic table? You use a simple song which I learned while I was in secondary school, and I would like to pass across to you. You understand? And it simply says, hello Helen, listing beryllium, boron cannot overflow neon. Is that clear? That is the first thing. Hello Helen, as if you're talking to Helen. That is what? Listen. That beryllium, that is you listen, beryllium. Boron cannot do what? Overflow what? Neon. So try and make that understand. So then the second one, second 10 says, so may all silly people. You understand? We are SO is for what? Sodium. May is for magnesium. All is for aluminium. So may all silly people, you understand? So may all silly people do what? Sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, and what? Calcium. That all the silly people should suffer these 4 things: chlorine, argon, potassium, and what? Calcium. So with that simple song, you can simply write down the what? The elements, first 20 elements of the what? Periodic table. First 20 elements of the what? Periodic table. And that means that the atomic number for the first one, Z, is what? 1. Atomic number for this one is what? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, what? 20. So if somebody asks you what is the atomic number of calcium, the answer is what? 20. You should know them. This one should have to be in your mind. That's why you must memorize this, so that you know how to pick out the atomic number. Is that clear? What if they ask you what is the mass number of the atomic number of oxygen is what? Oxygen is number what? 8. But the mass number is what? 16. Mass number is always 2 times or almost 2 times atomic number. Is that clear? So when you know the atomic number, you automatically know the what? You automatically know the mass number. What is the atomic number of nitrogen? 7. And the mass number is what? 14. 7 times 2. Is that clear? What is the atomic number of chlorine? What is it? 17, but the mass number is always 35.5. Is that clear? So it's almost 2 times, but sometimes it's not actually 2 times. Is that clear? So that is the first 20 element. That is the what? First 20 what? That is the what? First 20 element. So we are not going to look at their distribution. So atomic number 1. The number 1 is what? What is the number 1? hydrogen elements. The atomic number or the number, the Z, the element. After the element, we'll talk about the what? The symbol. Symbol of the element. Is that clear? Then we'll talk about the modern electronic configuration. Modern what? Electronic configuration. And when you're talking about the modern electronic configuration, we're talking about the SPDF, isn't it? Yeah. Now, then we talk about the old electronic what? Configuration. When we talk about the old electronic configuration, which one are we talking about? The KLMNOPQ, is it not? So for first, the one that has Z1, atomic number 1, what is that element? You can use hello Helen to remember, isn't it? The symbol is what? The symbol of hydrogen is what? H. So what is the electronic configuration? First of all, you have to fill the 1s back. Yes. And the number of electron is what? 1. Because the number of electron for hydrogen is what? 1. Can you see it? Can you see it? Look at the board first, don't write yet. The second element, the atomic number is what? 2. What is that element? Helium, isn't it? Yeah. What is the symbol? He. Is it not? Yes. What is the electronic configuration? 1s what? 1s what? 2. Because the atomic number is 2. This one is 1s what? 1. Because the atomic number is 1. Is that clear? Yes. Look at the board, don't write yet. The number 3 element is what? Lithium. Number 3 element is what? Lithium. What is the formula for lithium? L what? I. What is the modern atomic configuration? 1s what? 2. X is not more than 2. Then after S2 you put what? The next one is 2s what? 1. 2 plus 1 is what? 3. Is that clear? Yes. The next one is what? Beryllium what? Beryllium. What is the formula for beryllium? B what? Be. So what will you have? 1s what? 2 and what? 2s what? 2. To make it 2 plus 2, 4. The next one is what? 5. And 5 is what? Boron. What is the what? Boron. Boron will be what? 1s what? 2. 2s what? 2. S doesn't pass 2. The next one is what? 2p what? 1. So that it will be 2 plus 2 plus 1, 5. Is that clear? Yes. The next one is what? Carbon. And carbon is what? C. It will be what? 1s2, 2s2, 2p what? 2. Isn't it? Yes. Maximum of p is what? 6. But yes. So we can have 7. 7 is what? Nitrogen. The formula is what? N. It will be what? 1s2, 2s2, 2p what? 3. Isn't it? Yes. Now the other one is what? 8, which is what? Oxygen, which is what? O. It will be what? 1s2, 2s2, 2p what? 4. Is it not? Yes. And the next one is what? Fluorine. Fluorine is what? F. It will be what? 1s2, 2s2, 2p what? 5. When p gets to what? When will it start changing? 6. Yes. So those are the what? The modern electronic configuration. Whenever you're talking about the modern electronic configuration, you're talking about what? SPDF. But the old one is the what? KLMKA. Is it not? Yes. If you're talking about that one, then you are going to have what we call K, L, M, N, O, P, and what? Q. So under that one, how many electrons will be here? It will be only on the K1 for the first one, is it not? Yes, sir. For the second one, it will be what? 2. Is it not? Yes. For the third one, it will be what? It will be 2 and what? 1. Because it doesn't pass 2. Huh? Yes. It will be 2 and what? 1. For the fourth one, it will be what? 2 and what? 2. Is it not? For the other one, it will be what? 2 and what? 3. For this one. For this other one, it will be what? 2 and what? 4. For this one, it will be 2 and what? 5. For this one, it will be what? 2 and what? 6. For this one, 2 and what? 7. Because 2 plus 7 is what? 9. 2 plus 6, 8. 2 plus 5. But once it gets to 8, it cannot be 9 again, but your maximum is what? 8. And it will start overflowing to the next one. Is that clear?
Yes,
so I'm giving you an assignment to complete from 10 to what? 20. From 10 to what? 20. You're going to pass the assignment in the next class.
Okay.
Is that clear?
Yes.
Is that clear?
Yes,
thank you.